Hi, everyone. This is a Ford of my friend. He complained to me that the car is too old. The engine is unresponsive, and the functions are backward. We need to upgrade it for him. First, let's put down the storage box and remove the 2 screws on it. Then we remove the 3 screws holding the airbag in place. Then use a tool to pry off the plastic panel of the airbag. Unplug the wire connecting the airbag. Okay, the removal was successful. This is where the 3 screws are located. Next, we remove the other 3 screws on this panel so that we can remove it better. Now we ask the assistant to use appropriate strength to break off the air outlet panel on the right side of the screen, and we remove the screws on the lower panel. Next, we remove the 2 screws on the top of the instrument panel to loosen some places, which is convenient for us to disassemble. Then remove the air outlet, pull the air outlet panel, and remove the screws inside. Okay, now we remove the original car screen plastic and unplug all the wires on the back. Next, we remove the 8 screws that fix the screen and the main unit of the original car. Here we unplug all the plugs on the back of the original car screen. Then we remove the original car host and then unplug all the wires on the back. Okay, now we connect the power cable of the new car engine to the original car. This is the protocol box. We also need to plug it in, and then don't connect this plug. Here we remove the button from the original car and install it on the new car radio. Then insert the black plug of the power cord in the white serial port to the back of the new car radio, and the button wire at the bottom also needs to be connected. Let's put it on the screen of the original car now, and start the ignition to test it. Power on successfully, then control the air conditioner and steering wheel. We need to perform protocol modulation. We enter the factory settings and enter the password, find the protocol setting option and click on it, and select it according to our model and year. Note that the first selection requires the new car radio to be connected to the internet for downloading. Now the air conditioner touch is working successfully and the steering wheel control is also working successfully. Then the keys on the test panel also work successfully. The upgrade went very smoothly. Finally, the other wires of the new car radio and the screws and accessories removed from the original car were installed. Let's take a look at the parameter configuration is very high. Listen to your favorite local and online music on your new car radio. You can also set your favorite tone according to your preferences. Support radio automatic search frequency band. You can watch local videos and online movies on your new car radio. Support GPS map navigation. You can also make calls, use Bluetooth music, etc. by connecting your mobile phone. Of course, wireless CarPlay or Android Auto can also be connected, through which you can operate voice assistants, make calls, listen to songs, map navigation, and other mobile apps.